Good day everyone, my name is Umar and today we are having a deep dive into cuyor's new updates. Let's get right into it. So previously users have noticed there is a cuyor icon that follows users cursor along the screen, which is sometimes distracting, so we kept the feedback from our beta testing in mind and created a whole new experience with a spotlight like feature. You can use your hotkeys now as well and invoke cuyor, and you can toggle it on and off, so it's easy. Or you can use the menu icon to toggle cuyor on and off. And we have this simple same text box for query, so you can type your query and ask cuyor to help you out with your favorite application. And last time we integrated app recipes for end-to-end help in the application, like create a mobile frame from end to end. And we take it further, we take recipes further to create mode. Before going into create mode, we will see a tutorial. I have loaded a tutorial here in YouTube. So it's a really good Figma design for beginners 2025. And I found this video. Let's, for example, select it, copy this link, and it is if you see, it is 19 minutes. Sometimes it is very lengthy, and we are so lazy to watch videos sometimes. What if cuyor can help breaking down this video into real steps? Well, let's see how in action. So we will do the same, invoke cuyor, and we will switch to cuyor create mode. And here we can either paste the YouTube link we just copied, or you can also paste a transcript. We can paste YouTube link, and what happens? cuyor will fetch the transcript and create a recipe for us. And you know, the recipe is it skips all the unusual stuff, extra stuff. So we will have a pure end-to-end steps to follow the tutorial and achieve our goal. So let's see it in action. So I upload it, and here we see a live recipe. So we can read some steps. It's 12 steps. Create ellipsis shape, resize ellipses, add image fill, crop image, create a new name text, and so on. So it skips all the fluffs, all the unusual stuff in the video, and created a targeted 12 steps to exactly follow the tutorial. And let's start. So once we start, so we can see the guidance plan is working here, or we can drag it down to any corner of the screen, and we have this cute loading icon when our API loads. So it is not 100% accurate somehow, but it works out of the box. I will use arrow keys to switch to the next step. So we can see it asks to create an ellipsis box. Let's create and click on the center canvas, and we added ellipsis here. And we will position it like this, and we click on next, and this goal is complete. To select a ellipsis tool and draw an ellipsis, we move further to have a it's really good. And see, we have cuyor identified the field and asked to click and type 90 into the width field. So we will click on next, so it in 90, and height field as well. We'll click and we type 90 and enter. And here we go, we resize our ellipsis line. And remember this, we are following the tutorial exactly in the Figma. And we have this, it asks to click the fill switch in the fill section. So let's click it. And we have to click here instead and select the image from the drop down. So we will try to add an image here. Let's try to upload the image. For me, let me upload a cute picture of mine. It's my old picture when I was a kid. And then we'll go next and next. Yes, it is completed again. So we have added the image here. And next, we are moving to the next step. So it says click the crop image button, right? So yes, we have already cropped. So we cropped it, and we have already did this step. And we will click on the next goal. And so it says select the text tool from the toolbar. Yes, we can select it. And click on the canvas below that avatar at around. That's okay. We click and maybe text, add text here. Next. And we can type name. So I can select here and type my name. My name is Omar Ahmad. Something like this. I'll try to maybe center it with this left aligned school. And then we'll go to the next goal. And it is asking to add another text, I think. Let's add here maybe description. Let's align it here. Click and drag to create the text below wherever. And yes, I already did. And we will type software engineer. Okay, it created by its own. So, and it identifies I'm a software engineer, by the way. I don't know what it looks like. I look from the very childhood. I look like a software engineer. I don't know. So let's see. So we move to the next step here. Click on the align left button in the alignment section, the right sidebar. So okay, so we are here and click on the alignment. Yes. Okay. And select Omar Ahmed. Okay. Open the weight font. Oh wow, it asks to open the weight font here. Select medium, type black. So we will make it black. Make it black. Okay. Click on the font size input field and type 38. Okay. To 40. Okay. And we type it 40. Okay. So it's very cool. It edit really good font. I really like the right so far so now. So it is asking to select the second layer. Okay. Select it. Open the font weight drop down. Okay. Okay. It is also black and set the font size. Okay. to 38. Okay. And 28. And line height to 38. And letter spacing to 16. Okay. Yes. It's also completed. We are almost done on the 10th step. And it is taking around 5 minutes almost. Okay, click on the resizing drop down to selection. Okay, we resize it and select the auto height. And we select the auto height. Okay, what auto height gives? So if you have a really big text, so it overflows and automatically auto resize the text component. That's really nice. Almost at the end of second last step, and we need to click on the frame tool in the toolbar. Okay, we click next, and okay, and the next goal. This is the last step to do the frame. Drag software engineering to frame in the layers file. Okay, we create a frame, something like this, and maybe let me add a color. So it will be like this, and then add some cosmetics a little bit. I like. So we have this frame, and then we add it, and drag it. Okay, yes, we have added. We have added. And double click to rename it. And rename it landing page. Page here. And press. Mistype here. And that's it. So we built a hero section in Figma, and we are completed with our recipe, and it is the tutorial. So see, if we follow the tutorial, we are able to create this landing page hero. So let's see in Figma tutorial what they made it. So they are doing the same as well, more edits, but it's good. So let's see what at the end how it looks like. At the end, it looked like this. It looked like this, and ours look like this. Pretty similar, isn't? And we achieved it using like in 5 minutes. We are able to create this really good um, Figma like tutorial, and just we followed this end to end, and we know now how to do stuff, how to use layers, how to use different type of options in Figma, and it is really interesting to see this in live action. Thank you so much. That's all for today, and we will get back on new updates later this week. Thank you so much. Have a good day.